ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान ईदाचे आदीं गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स सुरू करतले अशें पशुसंवर्धन मंत्र्यान सांगलां। हेर राज्यांतल्यान गोरवांचे आनी हेर मांस हाडपाचो प्रस्न आमदार ग्लेन टिक्लोन विचारिल्लो, ताच्या प्रस्नांक मंत्र्यान जाप दिल्ली।
गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स पोरू 11 ऑक्टोबराक बंद केल्ले। हाचे आदीं कळंगुटेचो आमदार मायकल लोबन बुधवारा सभाघरांत हो प्रस्न मांडिल्लो।
Grave anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa due to closure of the Goa Meat Complex and procurement of unhygienic beef from neighbouring states, particularly from Belgaum. I would like to know what steps the government plans to undertake in this matter, Speaker, sir.
Because it is a BJP-led government, propaganda is being made that they are against meat eaters, that they don't want the Goa Meat Complex to function. It is totally false, a false allegation. There is no objection in meat being consumed, whether by tourists or by the local people. It is these NGOs who are making the problem for us, and those NGOs also are not Goan NGOs. They are from outside. So this is not the case. I want to place the record straight. So this is what is the situation. And as early as possible, as I said, August 22nd is Bakri Eid. We will try to get all the permissions, and provided the animals are brought to the abattoir. I cannot go and get the animals. The meat traders have to get them, and then we will start the slaughter.
विधानसभेंतल्यान आमचो खबराकार क्लिंटन डिसोजा, व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम च्यारी आनी यशवंत परब।